Get ready to introduce your 6-month-old baby to the world of veggies. Today, we are making a delicious and healthy vegetable purees that is perfect for little ones just starting solids. Plus, this puree can help to support your baby's growth and weight gain. So let's get cooking. Welcome to our first puree recipe. Today we are making a delicious and nutritious carrot and avocado puree that is perfect for 6-month-old babies. This puree is packed with vitamins, minerals, and healthy fats that support your baby's growth and development. Let's start by gathering our ingredients. We will need 2 medium-sized carrots. Go ahead to peel those carrots and ensure that the skin is completely removed. Let me know in the comments below where you're watching from. What city or country are you watching from today? Proceed to chop the carrots into small pieces. This will help them steam evenly and very quickly. Once you're done cutting the carrot, kindly set it aside, and the next ingredient for this puree is avocado, and all you need to do is to take 1 ripe avocados and carefully cut it in half around the pit. Gently twist the 2 halves in the opposite direction to open the avocado. Also go ahead to split the avocado into quarter, and now it is time to scoop out the delicious avocado flesh. So all you need to do is to use your knife to peel out the skin, or alternatively you can use a spoon to scoop out the delicious avocado. Avocados are very rich in healthy fats, vitamins, and minerals that support growth and development. They are also very gentle on little tummies, helps with massive weight gain, and provide a creamy texture that is perfect for babies that are just starting solids. Transfer it into a plate and set it aside. The next step is the steaming of the carrots. Carrots are a very healthy vegetable for babies, and the earlier you start introducing it to your babies from 4 months or 6 months, the better. It is very rich in beta carotene for good and clear eyesight, and very good for the body. So to steam our carrots, we're going to be using a food steamer, and then transfer the carrot into the steamer and steam for at least 2 minutes. 2 minutes later, we are checking on our carrots, and this is what we have. Our carrots are perfectly steamed, and you will know that your carrots is steamed if whatever you're using to pierce it goes through. Like if you're using a knife, the knife should be able to go into the carrot and pierce it. If you're using a fork, the same thing. So once the carrot has softened, you put off the fire and take it down. And then the next thing is to transfer the steamed carrots into the blender. You can see that the carrot still retained the original orange color, and this is the power of steaming. Steaming helps food to retain their color and flavor. Now proceed to add the avocado into the blender as well. Then go in with your baby formula, baby milk, or any age appropriate milk. You can also use breast milk. Once you have added this into the blender, proceed to blend it on a high speed until it is completely pureed. And that is it, guys. Our first puree is ready. So just go ahead and transfer the puree into your baby plate and serve warm. This puree is suitable for babies from ages 6 months and above. Or if you started solids for your baby at 4 months, you are also free to introduce this vegetable puree to them. It is very, very healthy and nutritious and also aids in weight gain. So if you have a baby who isn't thriving or gaining weight, this puree can help them to gain weight massively. You can also feed this to your toddler if you want them to add some weight. If you have any leftover after pureeing, please do well to store them in cubes like this and store it in the freezer. This will help to preserve it and keep it fresh till when next you need to use it. Now, this can stay in the freezer for as long as 1 week, right? But ensure that the one you're putting in the freezer does not contain milk. If your baby if you have a leftover, maybe the one that you have already added milk, you can also put it in the freezer, but do well to consume it within 3 days, right? So that it doesn't go rancid. So but this is the one that we don't have milk added. And babies do not always finish their food. Most babies do not finish their food. So instead of wasting it, store it in the freezer like this. When you want to use it, just bring it out, tow it, and make it warm, and that's all. You feed your baby straight ahead. Let's get started with our second vegetable puree, and for this delicious and nutritious puree, we'll need 2 medium-sized carrots, 1 medium-sized potatoes, and 1 apple. Please make sure to choose fresh and organic ingredients whenever it is possible. Proceed to peel the potatoes. Now, using a vegetable peeler or a knife, gently remove the skin of the potatoes. Then proceed to chop them into small pieces to help them steam or cook evenly. Hey Chop Stars, once more I welcome you back to Chubby Baby's Kitchen. If you're a new subscriber, you're highly welcome. Please click the subscribe button and hit the notification bell so that each time I post a new video, you'll be the first to get notified. And if you're a returning subscriber, thank you so much for always coming back to watch my video. I wouldn't be doing this without you. You guys are the OGs. Thank you so much for sticking around and staying put on my channel. Please do well to like this video, share to your family and friends, and drop a comment. If you have a question, please do well to drop it in the comment section. Please, 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 you can't be watching this video without subscribing. Do well to subscribe, and that bell you are seeing there, that bell is for you. It actually keeps you notified each time I post a new video. So if you don't want to miss any of my very sweet and very delicious content, after subscribing, click that bell icon and you'll be the first to get notified. Thank you so much for staying put on this channel. I love you guys. You guys are the best. Thank you so much. After chopping the sweet potatoes, proceed to wash the sweet potatoes to remove any form of dirt or impurities, and then transfer the sweet potatoes into a different plate and set aside. Proceed to wash the carrot, and after washing, go ahead and peel off the skin of the carrot. And carrot is very essential for babies. If you have not started adding carrot to your baby food, or you haven't started giving your baby carrot, it is high time you started it, because carrot contains a lot. It is super nutritious, super healthy for babies. It aids digestion, it is good for eyesight, it contains beta carotene, like a lot of nutritional benefits. It also gives baby food a great taste without added sugar, like it is naturally sweet, so you can use it to sweeten your baby food. Next, let's prepare our apple. Proceed to wash the apple thoroughly, then peel and core it. Chop the apple into small pieces just like our carrots and potatoes. When it comes to choosing the right apple for your baby, I can categorically tell you that red apples are often considered a better option. They are sweeter and milder in flavor, making them a great introduction to solid foods. Red apples also tend to have a higher antioxidant content compared to the green and the pink varieties, which can help to protect your baby cells from damage. Plus, they are just so delicious and fun to eat. So consider getting a red apple each time you go to get apple for your baby. Transfer the potatoes, the carrots, and the apple into a food steamer and place it directly over a pot. Then go in with water and allow to steam the vegetables for 2 minutes. If you don't have a steamer, do well to cook the vegetables with your normal pot, but then cook it with a little water. Let it just be the heat that is steaming the vegetables, right? 2 minutes later, let's check on our vegetables and see how far it is going. Now, from the look of the face of the vegetable, you can tell that it is finely steamed. It has been cooked to perfection, and we're going to set it down and transfer it straight into a blender. Next is our baby formula. Do well to add any formula of your choice. It can be breast milk, full cream milk, it can even be yogurt. Just add any milk to, give it that light and creamy texture. Blend everything up until they are completely pureed. This is how your vegetable puree should look like when you are done blending. Yippee! Transfer the vegetable puree into your baby plate and serve. Trust me, this puree is very healthy and super delicious. From the color, you should tell that it is yummy already. Your babies would love this. They would thank you for it. So if you have an infant who is just starting on solids, this is the perfect meal to prepare for them. Moving on to the next vegetable puree, we'll be needing a carrot, some green peas, and rice. Proceed to wash the rice in a boil of water and ensure that the rice is completely clean. For this recipe, I am using a local rice. Do well to use any rice of your choice. You can use basmati rice, you can use brown rice, you can reuse any rice that is convenient and available to you. Now, proceed to wash the rice to remove the excess starch, dirt, or any impurities. And once you are done, discard the water, go in with another water, and repeat the process again. This is to ensure that the rice is completely clean before parboiling. Once you're sure that the rice is now completely clean, transfer it straight into a pot, add some clean water, and begin to parboil the rice until they are soft. Parboil the rice for about 5 minutes, and at regular intervals, do well to check on the rice to ensure that they are not burning. Okay, so once you're doing that, once you're parboiling the rice, go ahead to scrape the skin of the carrot and make sure that it is clean. Proceed to chop the carrot into smaller bits that will be perfect for steaming and blending. Also, go ahead and chop the green peas into smaller bits. Just like the others, we are still going to be steaming this set of vegetables so that the flavors, colors, and nutrients are being retained. So we'll transfer all of the vegetables into a sieve, add a little water, and allow it to steam on low heat. After steaming for 3 minutes, this is what we have. The green peas, carrots are now soft. So we're going to be transferring our cooked rice into the blender, followed by the carrots and the peas, and we're going to be blending on high speed until these vegetables and the rice are completely pureed. Also go ahead to add baby formula or full cream milk to make the puree more creamy. Blend on a high speed until it is completely soft and pureed. Voila! Our weight gaining vegetable puree is ready. As usual, transfer it into a baby plate and feed your baby. Save up the remnants in the refrigerator or in the freezer, and whenever you want to feed them, simply bring it out and feed. These purees are super nutritious and super healthy. So if you're looking for a first food for your babies that would go well with their system, that won't cause any allergy, then this set of purees are what you should consider. And that's a wrap on today's recipe. I hope you enjoyed making this delicious puree with me. If you did, please give this video a thumbs up and let me know in the comments below what you thought of the recipes. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel for more baby food recipes and parenting tips. Share this video with your friends and family who might find it helpful, and hit that notification bell so you never miss a new video from me. Thank you so much for watching, and I will see you in the next one. Bye.